Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Shelby County and central Kentucky, Henry County and central Kentucky, until 1:15 a.m. At 12:45 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles southeast of Carrollton to 9 miles southeast of Newcastle, moving east at 70 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. These severe thunderstorms will affect the following locations: Chestnut Grove, Campbellsburg, Port Royal, North Pleasureville, Drennan Springs, Delville, Bethlehem, Slabtown, Elmberg, and Orville.